On October 5th, 2023, in Fresno, California, the city was hit with a gas station attack that spiraled into a life-or-death confrontation outside of a church. This is a story about a man with a violent past, a police force navigating danger in real time, and footage, courtesy of Fresno PD, that captured it all. Fresno, California, just past midnight. Dispatchers received 911 calls from a convenience store describing a tragic and frightening scene.
What he looks like.
He is a white man.
Suspect.
He's a white man. He's probably about like 6 feet, 6'3" almost. He's bald. He's wearing all black, a leather jacket, and cargo pants.
Witnesses describe the assailant, a tall white male, bald, in black cargo pants and a leather jacket. And soon, he's identified as Samuel Davidson-Rollin. So, who's Samuel Davidson-Rollin? His criminal past stretches back over a decade, and articles point to the man unfortunately being homeless as of 2023. In 2008, he appeared in Fresno court after Jenny L. Riffle accused him of domestic violence. A 3-year restraining order followed, a 100-yard mandate, and immediate firearm relinquishment. But the record doesn't end there. In 2018, Davidson-Rollin was charged with obstructing a business, another sign of public instability and aggression. And then, in 2023, those patterns proved unresolved, exploding into public violence, bringing his name to the forefront of investigation. Air 1, Fresno PD's helicopter, spots him in the parking lot of North Point Church. He's walking, still armed. Officers close in, cautiously. Davidson-Rollin approaches, holding a knife in his left hand and pepper spray in his right. He raises the spray and continues moving towards the cops. The officers slowly retreat, issuing commands.
Get on the ground and put the knife down now! Get on the ground and put the knife down! Put the knife down!
Davidson-Rollin sprays the officers and moves closer, less than 10 feet away now. There's a moment, and then gunfire. Davidson-Rollin survived, and thankfully, the gas station victim did too. According to police, both a tactical knife and pepper spray were recovered at the scene. Despite being attacked with spray themselves, officers sent for aid immediately. Davidson-Rollin faces felony charges of attempted murder, carrying sentences of 5 to 9 years if deemed to be second degree, and up to life in prison if deemed to be first degree. Assault on a peace officer, carrying a sentence of up to 1 year in county jail and up to a $2,000 fine. And use of tear gas on law enforcement, carrying a sentence of 1 year in jail for a misdemeanor or up to 3 years in prison if deemed to be a felony. An internal investigation also found that officers acted within policy. Information on Davidson-Rollin's current status is publicly unavailable. Davidson-Rollin had a past, and it wasn't silent. A court-documented threat in 2008 to a charge of obstructing business in 2018. His behavior followed a familiar, escalating pattern. This incident finds him back in the gaze of law enforcement and makes you wonder what drove this man to this level of violence. The officers returned home, the victim began to heal, and Davidson-Rollin is facing the consequences of his actions. But the scars from that night, physical and otherwise, remain to this day. Subscribe for more contextual breakdowns of Bodycam footage.